Oh my God, guys. Oh, I need to go work out. I'm getting a little light in the arms here. Anyway, I think it's Tuesday morning. I'm never quite sure. When you work in the digital space like I do, the days roll together. I think last night was Monday. Definitely Tuesday. Lots of fun taking place, guys. I talked about the changes that are going to happen. I posted them before. So in California, we're going into lockdown 2.0. Numbers are being picked up. If they're fraudulent or not, who knows? It doesn't matter. Not much I can do about it, but all I can do is be prepared for this new economy. One of my brick and mortar businesses that I have property on, it's been closed. I don't think it'll be open for a couple years, so I'm just using it for storage now. Such is life. But what you can do, you can go into this, everyone can do something. Setting up a retail space is probably not a wise idea now. Going digital, possibly you are competing with other people, but now we're looking at the potential of what they used to call the long tail economy, where if you have a unique cookie, a unique something that you can do from your house and you can sell it, it's very unlikely that the feds are going to knock on your door, but it'll help pay money. It'll pay money for your time. I'm working on a few of my own projects. My personal sneaker bot project is getting so much traction. 10% of the views on my videos go straight into people who want to use the product. I'm amazed. So with that being said, YouTube has been a great channel to promote my products, my software products, and that's probably a direction I'm going to move even farther into. Right now, I've got so many emails, so many requests coming in, so many people talking to me that as soon as some cash comes in, I'm probably going to have to hire someone just to manage the conversations because they're starting to pick up drastically. So there are things like this that you can do. This is more of an information-based economy. This is a information-based model. Maybe you make away from that. Maybe you do something like my friend is doing. One of my friends, if you're watching, I hope you're subscribed. She's doing keto-based stuff online. So she has a small group of people who follow her that are doing keto. She's got keto diets, keto plans, all good. What do you need? How many people do you need to make a living? One of my friends, another friend, a longtime developer, he and I were discussing a project that he was looking at doing with some people, but they bailed. But he was looking at the numbers and he said, well, I can only get, maybe $100 a month for this software that I'm going to spend a lot of time and energy on, and maybe only a few hundred people a month, a few hundred companies a month use it. And I said, well, hold it, my friend, my dear friend, you're getting $100 a month and you've got 200 companies using it. That's what, $20,000 a month. You can live off of $20,000 a month in software. Some of these things, it's just like finding the customers. He may only have 300 or 400 customers who will ever use his software on a monthly basis. That's enough to make a living. Granted, you're not going to be able to go public and sell it to anyone, but it's a niche, and you can make $150 to $300,000 a year just off your one product. I don't know if my keto friend is going to do that, but you never know. You get your whole family involved. It becomes a family project, and you sell a service or you do something that people want. So you can't get $100 a month for it. Maybe you get $10 a month for it. But if you have 1,000 people out of 300 million in the United States that want to pay $10 a month for it, you're doing fine. Yeah, so we're going to have to rethink what we do now. I mean, we're entering the winter months here in Southern California. Of course, it's hard to tell. We have Santa Ana's. I haven't cut my beard off yet. I need to go to my barber, who is still closed. I'm sure they've been re-shut down again. Outdoor food service, not going to happen. Anything that involves a person to person is really tough. Food, gym, working out, all that stuff is sort of closed down. Maybe, though, a good business model for some of you fitter people would be to do online personal training, where you get a whole bunch of people together and you Zoom, Skype, or something of this nature, and you charge them to be there and watch them work out online. Granted, you're not going to be a multimillionaire at this, but I am sure someone could pull $3,000 to $5,000 a month doing it. the people who are pursuing me for my, I shouldn't say pursuing me, people who are messaging me for my software project right now see money. And lots every day I get emails for people who want to, be part of the group who tests and moves my code forward and maybe even partners with me on it. Will I get rich off of it? I seriously doubt it. But will it pay for the mortgage? Oh, definitely it'll pay for the mortgage. It might even buy me a new car. It's hard to say. I'm putting lots of time and energy into it. I'm investing into it, and I hope something will come out of it. And if you do something like that yourself, either in software or a product that a keto product, or just online exercise or something where you can do it digitally, it's all great. And even YouTube, which is really clamping down on things nowadays, has been good. I mean, I get 70 whopping views on a video and 5 people call me about the product. Wow. What can you say? That's a great return on my investment. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. I hope you find something that's interesting. The world is changing. Our lemonade stands are going to have to be digital now. Our services are probably going to have to be digital. You plan for whatever's going to happen in the lockdown to last till the next election, probably 2024, because the California, unless we get a different governor, is going to keep us in lockdown because they enjoy it. Lockdowns are no longer about, well, I'm not going to get into the politics of it. We're business people here, and we're going to have to roll with the punches, and the punches are we're in lockdown, so find a way that you can make money digitally. Find a way, through a digital service or a service you provide other people. Probably not food. I don't know. If I had all the answers, I'd be a trillionaire. I don't. I'm sure some of you people are smart enough to figure out something that I'll never figure out and make a ton of money at it. I'm just encouraging you to do it. You need to do it. You need to go out there. You need to give it a shot. Some of the older business models, like I said, the brick and mortars, the stores, the thrift shops, the things of this nature aren't going to work out. You could do a thrift shop out of your garage. You could do an eBay business. You could do an Etsy business. You're just going to have to work harder at selling things. That's unfortunately the nature of the world. Anyway, I've rambled on enough. 7 minutes. It's going to be 8 or 9 minutes when it's all done. Be good. Keep in contact with me. My next, I've got a couple of crazy videos out. I'm going to put out one of the ones I did from when I got my code done, but give it a shot. Give something a shot. Message me. Hey, if you're interested in my bot, that's cool. My shopping bot, that's cool. Let me know. Be good. Talk to you soon.